That you fulfill these criteria, then payment will be given to you. But after completing all the criteria, now so many issues started coming again. Like Jalankalan is a kind of a social audit which have to be project-wise. ID has to be created, and then it is if it is not functional, the reason thereof, and then if it is functioning very good. So therefore, these are the issues which PHE has put in. And then other one was operation and maintenance. Operation and maintenance part also we have already completed, and Government of Meghalaya has already notified. But now we are stuck up with the 15 Finance Commission tight fund which was given to the district councils. So now district councils were not given any utilization certificate to the Government of India. Now Government of India is putting a condition that you submit this utilization certificate to the Government of India, then we will start releasing the JJM fund. So Government of Meghalaya is working on it. Chief Minister held a meeting with different officials, and District Council Affairs Minister has also had a meeting several times. Chief Secretary is also from his level having the meetings around several rounds now. So we are hoping to get this also done, and once everything is done, we are hoping to go through all the conditions that have been given to us. So I have requested all our contractors to have some more patience because we are trying our level best. I personally has already gone to the Government of India. We had a meeting with CR Patil. We had our officers are regularly having meetings with Government of India officials to fulfill the criteria they are putting up. And from our Chief Minister's level also have given several lectures. We are putting our all pressures, but Government of India has not started paying. They have not paid to any states till now. So therefore, I think we are again planning to put some more pressure. I have already requested Honorable Chief Minister again. Since now the mood for BJP is very good. They have won the elections in Bengal, they have won the elections in Assam. There's a good move. I think we should go to Delhi and we should request for this payments and all. That's what my request to our Honorable Chief Minister. So we are hoping to get all kinds of the same payments and kinds of assistance that Government of India has to do. So all respected contractor leaders, they have also understood the situations that we are facing, and I hope I was able to convince them to have some more patience to wait for the payments. Thank you.
Sir, one thing about the
approach to settle governments.
Yes, we have several occasions we have gone to Delhi. They have also called our meeting, and we have attended several times in Delhi. Very recently we have gone for a Jal Jeevan 2.0 MOU signing also. There also we have discussed the issues regarding the pending bills.
So you mentioned 50 commission. Yes, there is any rules from the government side.
Sorry.
You have mentioned 15 finance commission. You have any rules from the government side?
Role in the sense, the money was given to the district council, 15 Finance Commission tight fund. The money was given to the district councils. 100 crore was given to Meghalaya through district councils, KHADC, GHADC and JHADC, I think. So that utilization certificate were pending.
Kami minta batu Minister in charge Myntri kalian kami ke Presiden dia Government Contractor and Supplier Association tinggal ya iakren shibun je jadi iakren belane ubah sebentar jadi iakren belum bunba ke kalian kami tempang jadi sekarang normal yo adalah yo bangga untuk Minister in charge lengkap tapi sesuatu PHE department ke jenis keren demi kelomba keting Islam ni ke DJM kumtu kumbang lagi ni mat baka dehi bagi jenis sembun juga sarkar India kita ikut Islam bagi hamba kemudian negeri yang macam officer jadi kot ke bopel dan komentar so selai ke besar nama dia karamansi kita dia coba buat ada gede isi studio buat di hapan wantrek yang kita buat Islam we ke pos baik tadi jadi setengah komentar kesi lomba kalian jangan misal lomba long ini bahkan paduan naga fon naga central government lomba yang tahu kalan kelebih tuan beliau na fon menemar kata dia kena kam lomba yang keren pada dia ke finance dan kalau yang itu ini nanti lomba kita ke Cingong itu masih akan dalam ini ke empat ayat asuran mengelola kesi reinkarnan pada saya dia shen marbai penjualan kedua kumne man kebuah kami kebin jika kadar Contractor la yo pendat kita lemari ke ba hai kita ba mensua badang yo dangwan ke dikena ka phone ru lomba tip na ke daw ke Islam tu di tapat kadang ke jumbon patla ba sabli di teknik di engineer concern na ke mission boper ke jumpo Islam di bil ke masuk ban siu itu ko por badang dan pisah dan bala dan halu ba Islamro gidan balai Islamro tehre bubun gede nadu benai April jomono Islam araga rapsau adu kita kaba bubun di Contractor family of Dilsho ye kami ni kalau sha da dia makrau bat miskwa bani tui ki hange ha api ki press media ro nakalian ke jongi kom keseng dalam tempau di susi namar kidan nakalian jongi para contractors ki jongi ke bangin kwa banjer keteng namar ke jujur pelap ke pressure namar ke simlun nabang isim ni kitiar na kidkan ni hardware ke kemat bahadu bagila suicide ini jadi bro kadang nangani pori ke jongi jadi susi ya baka dia ke kum gani de rengi nakalian ke jongi kum ga seng de kapat ya ki brokot ipra contractors kalong ba ngindai ban le kum ta nin ya ap ni syak kum kejat benriu ke ba ju klan ke jumut ke berhak kalong ba ni soban apil ba ngindai ban le adu kata bang sim le jom dim de nakalian ke jongi ro di kuat ba ke si soban bok ke pau dan ni ka pau ni bagi da susi bagi kuat hidup ban ya tu kerteng mono ita dari geladon ke ba tentang ini kiat maisyan kebajian kum ketaro dan markata ni net ba ka sarkar kan sukya hadu baki reu kan sim le jong dim tang namar ba kimio syu ya ka bisa bala pelut namar ke jinwan ji pressure na ki angel di per hadu ban poi ta hadu kata ban dekat ke jong